In this project, we are going to restore this hardwood patio furniture using Woodoc 50 Marine. This clear exterior sealer is for use on all exterior wooden surfaces exposed to extreme weathering and wear. It is available in a clear matte or clear gloss finish and provides a durable, strong and flexible exterior finish with excellent UV protection and water repellent qualities. We begin the restoration process of the table by sanding the wood down with 150 grit sandpaper until the clean bare wood underneath is exposed, always sanding in the direction of the grain. Surface preparation is very important, and a well sanded smooth surface will give you a much better end result. Depending on the size of the project and the condition of the wood, sanding by hand might not be practical, and an orbital sander will make the job much easier. Once you are finished sanding, take a clean cloth and wipe off the surface to remove any fine sawdust. Then wipe down the wood with a cloth dampened with mineral turpentine and allow it to dry. We are going to use a Woodoc stain concentrate in teak for this application. Remember to use 20 milliliters of Woodoc stain per 1 liter of Woodoc 50 Marine. Shake the Woodoc stain bottle very well and then pour the contents into the Woodoc 50 Marine. It's very important to thoroughly stir the contents with a flat spatula until it's properly mixed. This should also be done at intervals during the application. Now we are going to apply 3 coats of Woodoc 50 Marine to the table. Begin by applying a liberal first coat. Always apply with the grain and use a good quality brush so that you don't leave bristles on the surface or create any air bubbles. To avoid runs, only dip a third of the brush in each time you use it. Because this is a tinted product, you cannot always apply a coat that will completely saturate the wood, so keep on applying until the surface remains evenly wet for 10 minutes. Remember to seal the end grain very well. Now allow the sealer to dry completely, preferably overnight for the first coat. Next, we lightly sand the first dry coat with Woodoc steel wool or a very fine 180 grit sandpaper. This is just to smoothen the surface, so do not sand aggressively or you will sand through the Woodoc sealer. Remove any surface dust with a clean dry cloth and wipe down with mineral turpentine. Once the surface is dry, you can apply the second coat. We are applying 3 coats of the tinted mix to get a darker finish, but if you are happy with the shades after your first coat or second coat, then you can apply clear coats of Woodoc 50 Marine. The more coats of tinted mixture you apply, the darker the finish. Now allow the sealer to completely dry for at least 6 hours. Then a very light sand again with steel wool or 180 grit sandpaper. Remove all the dust with a clean dry cloth and wipe down with mineral turpentine. Once dry, you can now apply your third and final coat. This patio furniture is now properly sealed with Woodoc 50 Marine, which provides excellent protection as it deep penetrates to nourish the wood, enhancing the natural appearance and color of the wood. We trust this video has been informative, and if you have any questions, you can always call the toll-free Woodoc helpline. Good luck with your project.